Ntar dulu deh, berarti harus di-upgrade kah? Equip dulu Keles bos. Oh dia punya Maleus cok. Tapi ada durability-nya guys. Anjing, kalau misalkan nggak bisa nyerang gimana cok? Nih gua habisin dulu lah ya. Nova boleh. Kasih lah kalau bandana. Aksesorisnya banyak gua sih. Sumpah. Terus gue pakai rak nafak gak? Oh gak bisa guys. Berarti kita harus pakai yang cupu-cupu aja gak sih? Yang cupu-cupu. Kok ada battle bot? Guys? Ini belum dipakai ya? Gue ada 3 cok. Nggak bisa dinaikin. Jangan bilang. Tak dulu guys, gue bingung. Great. Aduh ini durability-nya parah banget guys. Asli. Aduh gak kelihatan lagi. Terus kesini gitu. Wah, incredible. You can even see the bottom. Dalam banget berarti. So this is the Dragon Abyss. Behold at the bottom of this chasm is the domain of my people, the drakes. Let us descend. Wait a second, are we just gonna jump into this hole to get down here? Of course not, we will using the teleport altar over there. Cara yang dibikin Cecilia tuh masih udik banget gitu. Manual, padahal ada teleport cok. Kelihatan dong. Oh kelihatan. Cuman kita cek dulu gak sih? Ada sesuatu nih. Tiger Claw bro. Ntar guys, cek dulu ya kan. Siapa tahu ya. Nggak ada apa-apa. Let's go. Anjing tembusnya kok di sini ya? Dungeon terus nih bos, gue lihat. Is there more than one? You are quite perceptive. Leader here actually. My people are currently divided into 2 factions, the moderates and the radical. Iya bener, sama sih di dunia itu juga gitu. Even though we have different ideals, the two side create a balance, yin and yang ya kan. Each faction has its own leader. I will take you to one of them now. To get the Ragnum room, we must go down this stair and head straight. Bawah terus ke atas. Bawah. Ada tempat save nyet. Save dulu lah ya, udah sampai sini nyet. Lah ada monster anjing. Battle gak guys? Terkali ya. Kocak habis. Gak nih masalahnya. Kalau kita ribut, bukan gak cinta ya. Aduh, kok kayak gitu sih ngeglitchnya. Wah, diserang cok. Ya turu jelek banget anjing. Nus, ya elah si Ignis turu anjing. Nah bangun Nus. Nah gue mau coba Ignis guys, cuman durability-nya itu loh anjing. Gue bikin nih. Cara ngebenerinnya gimana ya guys? Lots ears for its power. Ini bisa nggak sih diinin guys? Kita harus bikin sih step ini, PR juga sih. Bikin kali ya. Aduh, FP-nya. Wih, banyak tapi guys, banyak guys. Durability-nya berapa? 18 sih, mau bikin gak? Still suck. Mantis ya guys, Broken Idol. Rockbone doang. Rockbone. Are you fucking kidding me? Kita harus grinding ini. Grinding tulang. What the hell? Maladi. Still surgery. Bisa sih guys. Ini udah berapa? 12 doang. Kita bikin Leoret aja dulu ya, sekali lah ya. Rex. Ini banyak nih kan. Durability 12, ini 18. Kita bikin satu lagi dah. Cukup lah ya. Extract dulu apa? Leoret dulu ya. Yuk let's go. Mau membantai nggak guys? Coba lah ya, kepo boys. Tapi dia nggak bisa di grinding, nggak bisa dinaikin. Gue mau ke Leo. Wah sakit sih cok.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Gimana kita? Ntar gue masih nggak ngerti. Nah gini aja, oke. Ini ada hijau-hijau apa orang ya guys? Ah ini nih yang nyasar ya. Ke bawah guys, ke bawah juga ya. Ada musuh. Gas lah.
They are persistent.
Winning start.
Victory is ours.
Kena lagi dua-duanya tolong. Turu aja terus bos. Mana gue yang diserang yang ini lagi. Bangun lo.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Banyak mantis blade nih guys. Aduh kok nge-lag gini sih. Apa-apa. Ini ya. Oh this is the Ignis, we need to get back. Greetings friend, I'm glad to see you doing well. Save your empty greeting moderate. Why don't you disappear already? Some people really don't like you, do they? I'm an enemy of the radical. It really is a sin. Oh dia radikal. Ini maju. Tapi speednya oke punya sih guys.
Victory is ours.
Gue mau kepo gue. Gue. Hah? Bisa harpes di sini. Oh turun aja. Aku kayak nggak ada orang. Apakah di sini ada sesuatu? Explore. Was just going easy. Wih, ini kayak tempat radikal gak sih? Tapi kepo gue guys. Turun dulu kah? Sini ada monster anjing, gak jelas banget. Hah? Si kakek. Coba ya. Ih, 2000 guys, perlu naikin dulu lah ya. All you looking for is a target. Oh, kita ini dulu lah ya. Purify dulu. Tuh. Oh, ini ya, kuat lah ya. Ya lah beginian doang.
Stay vigilant, my friends.
Aduh, ini nggak bisa di iniin masalahnya.
Please allow me. Victory is ours.
Victory is our. Karena ada notif anjing. Iya, mau gak? Nggak mau aku tuh. Berarti dia nggak bisa jurus tuh guys. Kepo juga gue. Oh, nggak bisa ngeburst tuh cok.
Victory is ours.
Cok nggak mati. Ya mati. Salah bersih. Oh, gak jelas.
Victory is ours.
Gue enggak gue. Anjing, ngeri banget ya guys. Boleh dah, bubur. Sial, gue nggak ngeliatin darahnya. Mampus, mati lu.
Victory is ours.
70 doang lagi. Cok, sakit banget cok. Gue kira musuhnya sama gitu loh. Ah, bisa didupin juga. Mati si tolol.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Nggak naik ya. Ada yang bisa dinaikin lagi? All you looking for is she got a mission and color damage. Ngeri banget cok, asli. Wah, ini siapa cok? Oh, ini si Regnum. It's been a long time. I'm well and you seem to be well too, my friend. How have you been? I'm well, but something has been happening lately. The other side has seemed unusually excited. Radicals? Has something happened? Now that you're back, I'm feeling stronger already. That is troublesome news. I shall look into it later. Very good, sir. By the way, are those your guests? They are outsiders. Are they not? Correct. Now I have something I would like to ask of you. What is this? Well, allow me introduce you to my human friends, Cecilia, Rafael, and Pilia. Oh yeah, kata dia. My name is Cecilia. I'm very pleased to meet you. I didn't know you could greet someone properly. I'm not gonna be rude to him. He looked too scary. Welcome, I'm Regnum, leader of the moderate faction. Do not worry about formalities. Make yourself at home, kata dia. Now then, what can I do for you? We're on a journey in search of the monolith, and I was wondering if you could show us the one that's here. The monolith, of course. You outsiders have come a long way to see it. What exactly is your purpose? To gain power, to help people. To help people lah, orang baik mah. It's to help people. Oh, I see. So you would like to pray at the monolith for the safety of that person. Oh yes, that's exactly right. I'm a cleric after all. I see that is a fine ambition to have. If that is the case, then it is perfectly alright with me. Ignis, I told you had brought trouble here, but now I realize you have done nothing of the sort. However, it is not nice to scare at the elderly like that. With the cavern beyond the axis over there. Ngikut nih, company.